Hello my people, welcome back to my channel once again. So today I'm going to be sharing my trade recap on GJ. Today being 4th of March 2025, I actually caught a sweet sniper entry on GJ with smart money concepts. SMC has been actually giving me a lot of opportunities on a lot of currency pairs. I would actually be sharing how I actually caught this sweet sniper entry on GBPJPY with SMC trading strategy. So join me on my screen so that I can show you this sniper entry and the time frame I actually used to catch these pips. So join me on my screen. So welcome back to my screen, guys. Like I said, I was going to be showing you guys how I actually used SMC to actually catch this particular trade on GBPJPY. This is the 1 hour time frame. This is the 1 hour time frame on GBPJPY. And this particular trade, I've been actually trying to catch. I've been waiting for this trade for over 2 to 3 days, trying to see that this particular trade comes to my zone and I can actually take it to this particular zone. So now what now happens? I have two confluence on this particular SMC strategy that I use for sniper entry. Now, when I saw, the first thing I actually look at is breakup structure. So let's draw our breakup structure. I have 4 rules for my SMC strategy. My first breakup structure is here. I have breakup structure here. We'll call it BOS. Isn't it? I have breakup structure. And under my breakup structure, what am I looking at? I'm looking at an order block. That's my second rules. This is my order block here. But if we notice, we will notice that the order block actually has a small body candle, but that's not our problem right now. That's not our problem. Okay, so my second rule is order block. My third rule is imbalance. Imbalance. As you can see, we have an imbalance in between after the order block was created. We have an imbalance here. The third rule is making sure we have an inducement. An inducement. And this is our inducement here. The inducement did not tap into the imbalance and did not also tap into the order block. That gives us the confluence that this particular zone is still valid for reversal. This zone is valid for what? Reversal. So now what now happens? I now saw equal lows. Now, anytime I see equal lows on my charts, it gives me assurance that this is a plus strategy. This is a plus setup. Sorry, this is what a plus setup. Now it didn't actually give me 2 taps. It gave me 3 equal lows. This is one equal low. This is another one equal low, and this is another one. Don't forget, if your equal lows, even if it is like 5 pips different from the other one, is also an equal low because it's not far from themselves. So the one in the middle is not far from it. So I see it as 3 touches on equal lows. So it gives me assurance that this is a full A plus setup. So now what did I actually do? I actually caught some trade along the line coming into my point of interest. Don't forget, I also always say something. If you have consolidation on the process of going into your point of interest, that's your order block, that gives you another confluence that this particular trade is going to play out very well. Very, very well. So now what now happens? For me to enter this trade now, I have another different confluence that I'm going to use to enter this trade. As you can see, I actually draw my first table. This is my whole order block. But when I say our order block has a small body candle, small body candle. If you, as you notice, you see that I actually draw another table inside my point of interest on the body candle, both the open body candle and the closure of the body candle. And now if you look at this particular trade, you will see that the moment the market came into the body candle, immediately we saw immediate reaction. We saw what? Immediate reaction. And when I saw that immediate reaction, I knew already from beginning that this market, this particular body candle, is going to hold the market for a sweet reversal. And immediately when I saw that, I had my buy limit on my body candle, and immediately it came in, tapped me in, and started rallying up for a 14-to-1 risk reward ratio. 14-to-1 risk reward ratio. 14-to-1 RR. This is how I actually caught this trade, and it's rallied from this zone here, from the body candle here to this particular zone, and that is how I actually caught this sweet trade on GJ. This is what we call an A plus setup. An A plus setup. What did I actually say? Anytime I have equal lows lying around my point of interest, that's my order block, it shows me that this is an A plus setup. So that's how I actually caught this sweet sniper entry on GJ with the SMC trading strategy and with my 4 rules that I go through when I am trying to catch some pips in with SMC strategy. So thanks for watching my trade recap, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Peace out.